LivingBetter50.com bring us the women's events and expos to Delray Beach on April 4th. Robin Bertram, author, speaker, and TV host, will share an encouraging message from God's Word about living a life with no regrets and moving forward. It's a mini spa day for ladies to refresh and rejuvenate. A day filled with massages, facials, and other beauty ideas. Create your own perfume scent, enjoy a fashion show with the upcoming summer fashion trends, and receive amazing products when you attend. More information and registration is available online at women'seventsandexpos.com.